friends, how are you all? Welcome to our fourth episode of Space Brotherhood. Today we are going to show you how to change engine oil in your bike.
So the tools we'll be needing are some pliers, 16 by 17 spanner, some old cloth or rag, and you need engine oil. So in this we'll be using 15 by 50 engine oil, that is Motul. You can either use 2050, that is 7100 Motul, or you can use Bajaj oil also. It is up to your choice. So for this we'll be needing 1.15 liters of oil. So I got 2 Motul cans. So let's start. So first you have to remove the drain bolt which is underneath the engine. So take the 16 by 17 mm spanner. You need a old utensil to drain out the old oil. So place it underneath the engine. So remove the nut which is underneath the engine. Let the oil drain out. So leave it for around 3 minutes to 5 minutes. So after the oil has been drained out from the engine, fix back the bolt. Before fixing it, clean the bolt with the old rag and then fit it back. So after we have drained out all the oil, come to the right side, you will see a engine cover, that is the oil cover. Remove the oil cover with the help of a cloth and pliers. Now you need to pour 1.15 liters of oil inside. So after filling the oil, clean the engine cap with the old rag and place back the engine cover. So tight it with the help of a cloth. Don't over tight it, just a little bit. That's it, you're good to go.
If you enjoy this video, please do like and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubts, please do drop the comments. Keep watching for more videos. Bye.